Hi, I'm going to test how long it takes to create a new Ionic Vue app. I've already installed Node.js with a macOS installer. It's not optimized for the M1 chip, but we'll use the regular one. First, let's install the CLI for Ionic. $11. Now let's create an Ionic app. We'll choose Vue, Ionic Vue, template tabs. No Ionic account. Great. So the installation is finished. Let's serve the app. And completed. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.